Bonjour, je m'appelle Sniti, je suis une professeure de français et aujourd'hui nous apprenons les solutions des cahiers d'exercice. Well, today we are going to start with the part 2 of workbook solutions of lesson 4, which is leçon 4, deviner, that means to guess. Well, here we are the question number 6, that is remplissez les blancs et retrouvez le nom. That means fill in the blanks with the missing letters and retrieve the names of the following objects. Well, if we see to the first part, we can see is an airplane. So that in French is called as un avion and the spelling is avion. Next we have is a bag which is called as cartable. Cartable. So the spelling is cartable. Next, in the third image, we have is a bus. Well, that is also called as a autobus and a bus, which is a bus. So, in this, AUTOBUS is the spelling. Next, we have is a chair, which is chaise. That is called as CHAISE. Now, here we are the question number 7, that is posez la question et écrivez la réponse selon l'exemple. That means pose the question and also write the answer according to the image that is given next to it. So here's an example. In the image we can see is a book. So we'll ask, qu'est-ce que c'est? What is it? C'est un livre. It's a book. Now in the first part we can see is a boy. We'll say, qui est? Who is this? C'est un garçon. That means it's a boy. Now in the second image we can see a few girls. We'll say it as qui est? Who are these? Ce sont des filles. These are some girls. Now in the third part we can see the table. Well, we'll call it as qu'est-ce que c'est? What is this? C'est une table. It's a table. Now in the fourth part we can see a few pens. So we'll write it as qu'est-ce que c'est? What are these? Ce sont des stylos. These are some pens. Now here we are the question number 8, that is chasser l'intrus. That means choose the odd one out. In this question there are a few words from which we need to choose the odd one out. Well, you should know the meaning of all of these words as they are already given in the Preno table of all the chapters we have learned till now. Well, all the words that you don't understand, do write them in the comment below and I'll answer you the meaning. Firstly, we have is vélo, voiture, autobus and avion. So here the odd one out is voiture. That means a car. So why is that so? Because all of these are masculine words and voiture is the only feminine word. Now to another aspect of this question, avion can also be the odd one out. Why is that so? Because it is the only air transport here. Now next we have is maison, pleur, moteur, miroir. So in this, miroir is the odd one out. Next we have is somme, son, être, et. So in this, être is the odd one out. That means to be. Well, this is the whole infinitive of the verb and all the other three are its conjugations. Now in the fourth part, we can see tableau, cahier, gâteau, cri. So in this, gâteau is the odd one out. Now here we are the question number 9, that is retrouver les noms. That means retrieve the names of the following. So in this is a crossword puzzle and in the horizontal and vertical way there are a few words that is given to us. So in this we need to translate them into French and write the spelling. Firstly we have a student, which is an 8-letter word that is called as étudiant. Étudiant. Next we can see is a cycle. Well, E is already there. So we'll write it as vélo, vélo. Now in the horizontal way we have is oiseau, which is bird. So O is already written to us. We'll write oiseau. Next we can see is a bag. Well, that in French is also called as cartable or sac. So S is written. Next we have are the keys and the singular way is clé, clé. Next we can see is a train. Well, that is called as train, train. Now, let us move on to the question number 10, that is complétez en utilisant les autocollants. That means complete using the stickers. Well, firstly, we have a few vegetables and fruits. We need to write their name and paste the stickers. So, firstly, we have is grape, which is called as raisin, raisin. Next we can see is a mango, which is mangue, peas are called as poa, onion is onyo, and apple is called as pom. So that's it for today's video. I hope that you liked it. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel. With that, thanks for watching. Bye bye and have a nice day.